Hi everybody, welcome back. So for today I'm going to be making a homemaking type video. So I'm just going to kind of be cleaning the house, getting as much done as I can, trying to be productive. Hopefully with this video my purpose is to inspire you guys to get motivated and do things that you need to get done around the house. I'm going to be cleaning my house. I'm going to try to get the kitchen done. I do have my little 5-month-old baby with me, so I'm just going to try to make the best of it and see how far I can get with today's to-do list. So I might not get everything done, but the thing is that I'm trying, so that's what matters, that's what counts. So I'll bring you guys along and we can go ahead and get started. Okay, so let me tell you guys a secret. The most important thing for today is going to be making a whipped coffee. So lately I've been using this one, which is Nescafe, but it has cinnamon added to it, and this is like the best coffee ever. So I used to only be able to find it in the Mexican stores, but lately I've been finding it at my local Walmart, and it's just in the Hispanic aisle. And it's the one with the orange cap, and it has cinnamon added to it, and it just smells so good. So you guys, if you don't get anything out of this video, at least get this recipe, because I'm telling you, you will thank me later. It will change your life. It's just so good. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee, and it has to be instant, otherwise it's not gonna work. And then you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of hot water. So I just put mine in the microwave and I use that. And then you're just gonna mix it, and well, actually you're gonna whisk it. So you get like a little hand whisk or whatever, and you just whisk it. Okay, you guys, so this is what it's supposed to look like. You really want like that whipped consistency, and I literally mixed mine for like a total of like 2 minutes. Okay, so what you're gonna do next is you're just gonna grab a cup of ice. Okay, so recently I saw a recipe that added lechera to theirs, and you pretty much just add it to the side. So I'm gonna try it, and I bet you it's gonna taste really good. So you just kind of pour it like that on the sides, maybe just a little bit more. And then you just pour like a cup of your preference of milk. And then you add the whipped coffee to the top. Guys, when I'm telling you this is good, like I'm not exaggerating. Like this is actually really good. So that's what it looks like at the end, and then you just mix it. And then you just mix it. And then you enjoy. You guys, when I'm telling you this is like the best coffee, I'm not exaggerating. Try it, you'll see. Just try it. You'll thank me later. Okay, you guys, so I kid you not, I have been trying to clean the kitchen for at least an hour and a half now, and I have accomplished nothing, absolutely nothing. My baby boy decided he wanted to come outside. So here we are, right, puppy? Si querías venir para afuera, mi amor. He's so entertained looking at his little pollitos. So here we are. Of course, quality time with my baby is way more important to me than cleaning the kitchen. So we're just gonna make the best of it. I will just be grateful and thankful if I can at least clean the kitchen today. That'll be like a huge accomplishment. So hopefully later on I'll be able to get that done. But if not, it's okay. Mom life, wife life, you know, whatever. Señora life. This is it. Okay, you guys, so I didn't get a chance to show it on this video, but I did start off with unloading the dishwasher and loading it with the dishes that were in the sink. As you can see, these were just the dishes that were left over, or the bigger ones that didn't actually fit in the dishwasher. So I went ahead and got started with those. So as you can tell, I'm just kind of washing them and leaving them in the sink to dry for a little bit. And then I will be coming back to hand dry them and put them up. Okay, so like I said, I did go ahead and let the dishes air dry for a little bit, and now I've come back to hand dry them, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them up. So like I said, and like I recommend, I do go ahead and do the hardest part first. For me, the hardest part is the dishes, so I go ahead and get those done and out of the way. And once I get that done, I feel like I have accomplished so much. Now I've moved on to washing my baby's bottles. I do sterilize his bottles once a week, and since today is Sunday, I'm gonna go ahead and sterilize those. So I hand wash them, I let them dry for a little bit, and then I go ahead and sterilize them. Okay, so I have moved on to this countertop, and I am spraying it down with some bleach. I am gonna go ahead and wipe this countertop down, and I will tell you guys, it makes my heart so happy every time that I wipe it down and just declutter this countertop. It just looks a million times better when I take off all that junk that I normally keep on it. But if you guys are new to this channel, I do want to ask you guys to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video. My purpose with these types of videos is just to motivate each and every one of you and kind of inspire you to do your everyday things around the house, and just motivate you guys to keep your home nice and clean, and just kind of give that inspiration to you guys. Okay, you guys, so here's a huge helpful tip. My mom actually recommended me this, and it has been so helpful. So she told me to buy this little Swiffer that I've actually seen on many videos before, but I never thought about buying it. So I got it, and it's so easy to use. It's so fast, it's so quick, it's so simple. So pretty much you just buy the little pads, you stick them onto the Swiffer, and you kind of just mop, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, I have finally moved on to the living room, and as you can see, baby boy is just kind of chilling in that stroller, but I am trying to hurry up before he gets cranky, so I'm trying to get as much done as I can before I do have to take him out of that stroller, because he will get tired of it pretty quickly. As you guys can see, his things have eventually become part of my living room furniture. I have a little corner over there just kind of stacking up his things, gathering it all together, but that's okay. I've just come to the idea that his stuff is just part of our furniture, and we're just gonna have to deal with it. So I am just kind of picking up everything, trying to declutter, and just trying to make it look nice and clean. Okay, so as per usual, I did have my little clutter of clothes over there on that couch. I have gone ahead and folded most of it. I'm just going to go ahead and finish it up. I'm going to go ahead and put that laundry up like I should have done 2 days ago, but you know, I never get to it. So finally here I am getting it all done and putting that laundry up. Okay, so I am down to the last few things that I need to get done. I will admit I did not get everything done that I wanted to get done, but at least I picked up the living room, and I did get the main thing done, which was the kitchen. I got all of that clean. So I feel very productive today. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it up and call it a day. It is now time for me to spend quality time with my baby, so I'm just going to spend the rest of the afternoon with him. I'm going to go ahead and cook dinner, and just kind of relax for the rest of the day and get ready for the week ahead of me. So like I said before, you guys, I hope that this motivated you in some way, form, or fashion, because at the end of the day, that is my main goal here. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So as you can tell, I was only able to finish the kitchen and the living room. I just kind of picked up, you know, as much as I could, because now I do have to make dinner. I do have to get things ready for tomorrow, since I do go back to work, like my uniform and stuff like that. I am gonna spend some quality time with my baby and, you know, just get little things here and there done. But I accomplished the biggest thing, which was like the kitchen, and that was my main goal for today. So I am happy. But hopefully this inspired you guys to kind of clean, or it motivated you guys to do something productive. But yeah, you guys, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.